like, our furnace runs out of natural gas, and
the carbon monoxide detector off?
it set the carbon monoxide detector off at 1 o'clock.
And what noise did it make?
Beep, 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 beep. And when my mom was trying to get the carbon monoxide down detector off the wall, like swatting it with everything, then Andrew, my mom was like, Andrew, get off the wall! And I was freaking out.
And then what do?
Then a carbon monoxide thing, my mom said it's like get your fresh air under it. My grandma's, because she only lives like 1.5 miles away. So we went there. My mom came back. She called the fire department, and they went back. And the furnace, they got a reading under the chiller room. It was like 200 and something, but so that probably got most of it out. And my mom has a little fan in her room. It's like really tiny, but it's not like one of those square ones.
It just sucked enough of it through the house to set it off.
Yep. And it went to my door. The carbon monoxide is over there. And my grandma told my mom to call a fire department. They called it. Then they went back and got a reading under a door. Then he screwed it up and went in there, turned on it, and opened the window and
shut all the gas off.
Shut all the gas off, and they said that the pipes will freeze. So my mom turned that little heater over there on, and